Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by placing the watch face down on a soft cloth to protect the screen. Use a spring bar tool or small screwdriver to compress the quick-release pin. You want firm, controlled pressure so you don't slip. Once one side releases, pull the band gently away from the lug while keeping steady pressure on the pin. Make sure to inspect the lug and pin for debris or wear. Cleaning now prevents misalignment when you install the new band. You compress the spring bar inward and slide the band out, applying consistent pressure to avoid sudden snaps. If the pin or adapter stays in the lug, remove it with tweezers and set it aside. Keeping original hardware helps compatibility. Once removed, verify lug width in millimeters so your new band matches precisely. Incorrect width causes gaps or stress. After cleaning the lug area with a soft brush, line up the replacement band. To ensure the pin and adapter seat correctly, you begin by inserting one end of the spring bar into the lug hole, then compress the opposite end and guide it into place. This alignment is critical so the bar snaps securely. Once the bar seats, tug gently to confirm it's locked. A slight wiggle test ensures the band won't detach during use. If the bar doesn't seat, remove and inspect for bent pins or damaged holes. Replace the hardware. Finally, wear the watch for a day and reach.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.